In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer in Canva. We'll be using Canva's built-in templates to make the process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. If you want a flyer that looks polished without starting from a blank page, this is a great method to follow. First, go to Canva and make sure you're on the main website. Once you're there, you'll be able to access Canva's design tools, template library, and editing workspace all in one place. This is where your flyer project begins. Next, click on Templates. Canva has a huge collection of ready-made designs for different types of content, and templates are especially useful when you want a professional layout without needing advanced design skills. Opening the template section gives you a faster starting point and helps you narrow down the style you want. After that, use the search bar and search for flyer. This will filter Canva's template library so you can see flyer-specific designs. You may notice a variety of styles here, such as business flyers, event flyers, promotional layouts, and more. At this stage, it helps to think about the purpose of your flyer so you can choose a design that already matches the tone you want. Once the flyer results appear, select a template that fits your needs. Try to choose one that has a structure you already like, such as the placement of the headline, images, or text sections. This saves time later because it means you'll be adjusting and personalizing the design instead of rebuilding it. When you've found the template you want, click on Customize this template. This opens the design in Canva's editor, where you can begin making changes. The editor is where you'll update the flyer to match your own content and style. Now it's time to edit the template. Replace the sample text with your own information and update the design elements so the flyer fits your goal. You can adjust things like text, colors, images, fonts, and spacing to make the layout feel more on brand and easier to read. As you edit, try to keep the flyer clear and balanced. Make sure the most important message stands out and avoid overcrowding the page with too much text. Take a final look over everything before you finish. Check that the flyer is visually clean, the wording is easy to understand, and the overall design matches the message you want to share. And that's it. You've successfully designed a flyer in Canva using a template-based workflow that's quick, practical, and easy to follow.